In this video, I will tell you the complete workflow of document management system. After login, you will see a new node, that is DMS document management system. If you do not see it here, then obviously you have to assign the permissions for this logged in user to access the document management system module. You go to user menu setup, you select the user that is currently logged in, that is I am, and you allow the permission. For example, the document, you can allow different options. You can see detail by reading the description. So I have allowed all the operations for this user. So start from the document, the first node. This is for admin. Basically, you will see admin will see the complete list of documents. He can edit, delete, view the detail. I will explain one by one. First of all, create document. The title, that is, let's say, laboratory information document for testing. Owner John. Author, the active date, next revision date, just for the reminder, maybe it's 2 or 3 months later. The revision number, for example, third revision, the document type, and the status, that is draft. It will be default status, that is draft, so it will not be published for all users, and it will need approval to be available for public view. And the next is, you choose file, you click on choose file. Let's say I upload a PDF, an Excel sheet, and an image. So this is the public notes, that is any text for the public they will read in the document view. Let's say I generate some dummy text, copy it, uh, paste, and save. So the document has been saved, and I can view the list, the document. Yeah, here it is. Currently, this document is in draft status. That is, this document is available for all the admins, and admin can approve that document. Before telling about the approval section, you see this is the view document. This is a public section, and you see this document is not available here. Okay, I go back and I see the pending approval documents. Here you see this is the document for approval, and any admin, the users that have been registered with admin role, can approve this document. And before that, he can click on the title or document number to view the details. This is the view page. This is the title, the description, the attachments. He can click on any uh, attachment to view the details. This is the PDF. You see it has been uploaded, and all the information about the document, that is the author, owner, active date, etc. So the admin will see that the information is correct, so he will approve the document by clicking on this icon. So the document has been approved. This is now available for all other users. That is, please keep in mind that the first two sections, documents and pending approval, is for admin only, and the view document is for other users. So the main work is for the user is this area. You have uh, an option to search by the title. For example, if I want to search this document, I say condense, I search, and I will see the list of filtered records only. I can sort by different options like search, document number, document type, author, owner, etc. For now, I need complete list of documents. Here you see the documents that are available for read, and here you see some difference, that is some green greenish background, that means this document has not been acknowledged by the user. So he can click on this button and he will see the information, and when you click on acknowledge, this document will be acknowledged. So this is all for the other staff members. And if you want to create some comments, like say these are the comments by the user, and this comment will be added. This is test comment. We can create the comments. So this is the public view, and if I go back to the public view, I see that the greenish background has been removed. It means that this document has been acknowledged. This is a workflow. Now let's say different staff members have seen the documents, and admin want to know that which person have acknowledged the document, what are the comments. He will go back to the document section, and this is a button here to view the detail. That is the document timeline. This is a complete detail. That is the audit trail. That is when the document was created, who approved the document, what are the changes. On the right side, you see the acknowledged user, as this is the user who have pressed acknowledged button. So it is coming up in the acknowledged user, and these users these users require the document acknowledgement. So you can see and filter different users, and below that you see the user activity, the activity on that document. You see, first of all, enemy has acknowledged the document, and then he put 2 comments on this document. So this is all about the document management system. Thank you very much.